Hey, can't join a Zoom meeting no matter what you try. Yeah, it's really frustrating when you're stuck on the join screen or get an error message. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix Zoom meeting not joining in 2026 so you can get into your calls quickly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection if possible, or move closer to your router. You can also run a speed test to ensure your network is strong enough for Zoom. Close Zoom completely and restart your computer or laptop. Sometimes a fresh start resolves temporary glitches preventing you from joining meetings. Make sure Zoom is updated to the latest version. Open Zoom, click your profile picture, check for updates. New updates often fix bugs that prevent joining meetings. Corrupted cache files can block Zoom from joining meetings. On Windows, press Windows key plus R, type %appdata%, open the Zoom folder, and delete the cache folder. On Mac, go to /library/application support/zoom.us and delete the cache folder. Double check the meeting ID and password. Even a small typo can prevent you from joining. Make sure you're entering them exactly as provided. Sometimes VPNs or proxies block Zoom connections. Temporarily disable your VPN or proxy and try joining the meeting again. Your firewall or antivirus might be blocking Zoom. Allow Zoom through your firewall, or temporarily disable antivirus to see if you can join the meeting. If nothing else works, uninstall and reinstall Zoom. A fresh install fixes corrupted files and settings that might prevent joining meetings. And that's it. One of these fixes should get you back into your Zoom meetings without any problems. If this helped, check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.